Today I am going to set up a printer model number CWC MB5020NW printer on my Windows 10 64-bit computer. In order to set up this printer, you will require its latest version driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. It will extract all the driver files into a folder. It will create a folder like this. Double click on that and you will see a setup file there, this one. You just need to double click on that. If it is asking for permission, so please click on yes. Now click on next. Click on install. It is extracting the drivers and then installing the drivers, so please wait. It is installing the drivers now. Here you need to click on install. If you do not get this option with the install button, you will have to disable the driver signature enforcement option from the startup and then you will get this option. Click on OK. It is saying the printer is not connected. So please connect the printer and click on OK. Click on finish. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my videos, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye bye.